Passion-based learning works because students are learning through a topic that truly interests them. They start by identifying what excites them and what they want to explore. Then, they learn through that exciting, amazing passion, whether it's marine biology, astrophysics, cooking, Lego building, motorcycles, fashion design, cosmetics, you name it. This gives them the opportunity to see how math, science, language arts, history, and other academic subjects exist in all areas, because we incorporate them into their passion projects.
MUSE teaches kids to think, to create, to problem solve. It teaches them to be curious and to find ways in which their personal passions intersect with that which is knowable. And then they go after it. It creates an appetite for knowledge.
When you give students the permission to explore what interests them, you will see what sparks their curiosity. And they are able to grasp core academic concepts much better than before.
MUSE produces some of the most amazing kids I've ever met. And I'm ridiculously proud of the school, I'm proud of these kids, and I'm proud of the teachers.
We really want you to become part of the MUSE Virtual family. So give MUSE Virtual a try.